Hello. Welcome to the AirU Food channel. Today, we're diving into the world of avocados and exploring some delicious ways to incorporate this creamy and nutritious fruit into your meals. Avocados are not only packed with healthy fats and essential nutrients, but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. So, let's get started and learn how to cook with avocados. 1. Classic guacamole. Let's begin with a classic favorite, guacamole. To make a simple and flavorful guacamole, start by halving and pitting ripe avocados. Scoop out the flesh into a bowl, and mash it with a fork until you achieve your desired consistency. Add finely chopped red onion, minced garlic, diced tomatoes, chopped cilantro, a squeeze of lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together and taste for seasoning adjustments. Serve this delicious guacamole with tortilla chips, as a topping for tacos, or alongside your favorite Mexican dishes. 2. Avocado toast. Next up, we have a trendy and nutritious breakfast option, avocado toast. Begin by toasting your favorite bread until golden and crisp. While the bread is toasting, halve and pit a ripe avocado. Scoop out the flesh and spread it onto the toasted bread. You can leave it as is or get creative with additional toppings like sliced tomatoes, crumbled feta cheese, a sprinkle of chili flakes, or a drizzle of balsamic glaze. Avocado toast is not only delicious, but also a great way to start your day with healthy fats and fiber. 3. Grilled avocado with salsa. Now, let's explore a unique and tasty way to enjoy avocados. Grilled avocado with salsa. Cut ripe avocados in half. Remove the pits, and brush the cut sides with olive oil. Place them face down on a preheated grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Cook for a few minutes until grill marks appear and the avocados soften slightly. While the avocados are grilling, prepare a simple salsa with diced tomatoes, red onion, jalapeno, cilantro, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Once the avocados are done, spoon the salsa into the center of each half, and serve as a unique and flavorful appetizer or side dish. 4. Avocado smoothie. Lastly, let's explore a refreshing and healthy drink option, avocado smoothie. In a blender, combine ripe avocado, frozen banana, a handful of spinach, almond milk or any milk of your choice, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, and a dash of vanilla extract. Blend until smooth and creamy. Feel free to customize your smoothie with additional ingredients like chia seeds, protein powder, or a squeeze of lime juice. This creamy and nutrient-rich smoothie makes for a great on-the-go breakfast or post-workout snack. Remember, avocados are not only delicious, but also offer a wide range of health benefits. So, get creative, experiment with flavors, and enjoy the creamy goodness of avocados in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like are incredibly helpful for video production. See you next time.